Hey there, it's time for another Essential Oil Works podcast, and we are in the middle of our oily expose, and today's oil is Blue Cypress. Blue Cypress is sometimes referred to as blue gold because Blue Cypress is a beautiful cobalt blue, and it's the only natural blue essential oil that comes from a tree. There are other blue essential oils like German chamomile and blue tansy, but they come from flowers. And these trees are so distinctive and so beloved that the tree's aroma was chosen as the official fragrance of the Sydney 2000 Olympics. It's from Australia. Young Living's Blue Cypress essential oil is steamed and distilled from leaves and the wood of the rare Northern Cypress Pine that's native to only Australia's Northern Territory. And these trees, they last up to 200 years. So they're just taking the wood that drops off and they're using the bark and things like that. Blue Cypress has been used for thousands of years by Australian Aboriginal people in a variety of household and personal applications. And here are just a few of them, okay? The first one is it supports your muscles. So it's great to use as post-workout massage, that kind of thing. Make sure that you always use carrier oil, a V6 vegetable oil, or a coconut oil, that kind of thing. Rub it into your muscles after your physical workouts. It's very, very good to moisturize your skin. Blue Cypress has excellent beneficial properties for the skin. It soothes your skin while shaving. You can add a drop or two of Blue Cypress in your shaving cream or your soap or even your aftershave to prevent a razor burn. And it can be used in household cleaning too. Blue Cypress, if you mix it with thieves, you can get that extra boost of power, that extra antibacterial component. There are 3 components of Blue Cypress: grayool and eudismol. There's alpha eudismol, beta eudismol, and gamma eudismol. And I'll just share quickly what those things are. They are essentially terpenes, and terpenes are always good. They reprogram the cellular memory that, mess up your cells, and they correct that information so that your cell grows correctly. So it promotes healing on a cellular level. And grayool's greatest health benefit is anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial in nature. And it's a medicinal molecule that is produced by many plants, including cypress, pines, and other evergreen trees. Also cannabis too. It's rich in health benefits, and it's been employed throughout history to treat conditions such as arthritis, gout, sore throat, and it is potentially effective to treat a regime of literally hundreds of diseases and conditions, including cancer and fibromyalgia. By the way, I'm not a doctor. I'm not a prescribing or treating individual. Everything I say today has not been evaluated by the FDA. Young Living products are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent disease. Please see your doctor or health practitioner for health advice. And if you're interested in finding out more about essential oils, you need to email info@essentialoilworks.com. We can set you up so that you can receive a 24% discount. And if you want to get a 5 ml bottle of Blue Cypress, it's only $31. We can set you up. It makes it very simple. Just email info@essentialoilworks.com. Getting back to Blue Cypress and what's inside it, the guaiac is also employed as an insect repellent and an insecticide. It has a history of being used as a diuretic, meaning that it can also lower your blood pressure too. And like many other terpenes and CBD and THC, it has been shown to exhibit analgesic or pain-killing properties. There was an in vitro study that was done on mice, and it essentially concluded that our studies provide an attractive insight in applying guaiac into small cell lung cancer treatments. And it suggests that it's going to knock down the cancer cell and greatly enhance the chemosensitivity of patients with lung cancer. So it is beneficial in that way. Alpha eudismol is a sesquiterpene. Okay, now alpha, beta, and gamma eudismol delivers oxygen to the cells and erases and deprograms the miswritten codes in the cell memory. So it's especially effective in fighting cancer. And scientists have found that other plants are high in alpha eudismol, and they can work with neurogenic vasodilation, which means no more migraines. Yeah. Beta eudismol is viable in fighting cancer and tumor growth as well. It has cytotoxicity to it, so it just loves to eat cancer cells, tumor cells, and it's also known to bind the nicotine receptors. So scientists are looking at beta eudismol to combat nicotine addiction. So Blue Cypress might help you quit smoking. It might just be that little aid that helps you through. So Udismal is extremely noxious though, so you don't want to take this oil internally. In fact, the studies have shown that it can overstimulate certain genes that cause gut pain. And it's similar to the way horseradish is known to cause gut pain. It's got a pleasant aroma. It is well suited for emotional and spiritual applications. I've read several references to Blue Cypress being a very strong grounding oil. Within chakra work, Blue Cypress oil can be helpful with your root chakra, which is in the pelvic area, or your sacral chakra, which is at the sacrum of your spine. There's one other ingredient in Blue Cypress. It's called guaiacol, and its prime active ingredient works to alleviate red swelling stages of your skin. So it has antioxidant properties that can lessen the effects of free radicals on your skin, which also makes it effective in sunscreen. So you can help keep the sun away by using some Blue Cypress. It is very good for your skin, as we mentioned. Its anti-inflammatory properties help with arthritis and asthma even. So you want to diffuse this. You do not want to ingest it. You can put it on topically. You do want to avoid Blue Cypress if you are pregnant or lactating. It may interact with drugs and it could be fetotoxic. So if you're pregnant or nursing, stay away from it. And as always, if you'd like to ask questions, or if there are any other topics you'd like us to cover, just email us, info@essentialoilworks.com. Check out essentialoilworks.com for healthy, clean, and chemical-free living. That's essentialoilworks.com.